fast. You going a cappella? Alright, Zombie, you going up, huh? I've got you.
Yo. I go by the name of Zombie Splash from 2094. Can everybody pay attention? Because I don't want like bars to flow over your head and shit. Because I got gag bars like I'm an ex-convict or something like that. I wanna, Waste K, just wanted to give a shout out to you because like they know a lot of platforms like this where you can promote your shit and like that. But I'm gonna save the speech for later. So yeah, acapella, let's go. Okay. Man, my life ain't basic. I was gone for an hour and she say she basic. I'm on pretty boy mode, you know you can face it. This pretty boy can make a girl come in an instant. You said you got bars, but they don't exist. I'm about to drop a bar and you know they pre-exist. I see you throwing punches, but you barely have a fist. I can eat you raw, send you to my goons as a motherfucking fist. But your ears so dry, I'll have to season you first. And you know my PS Stacy and fit as my fist. So I throw you to the trash can, cause all you make is trash, man. But don't be sad, we'll send your ass to the zombie re-sucking company. Pussy niggas out here acting funny, cause pretty eyes are always in my company. Sizzle, yeah. 2094. Can I keep going? Music in my DNA. I thought you know that. I'm gonna blow up a day. I thought you knew that. Cause we're living in the future. Fail to understand why you're living in the past. Speaking my dreams resistance. We prophesy. Probably the reason why you're achieving them fast. Dripping holy water. My drip is everlasting. I hope I die with stretch dead. I hope I die to the point they use my dead body to freeze fire. Because during my lifetime I was so iced up. Holy oil on my head, she thinks I'm hot. No bitch, it's the Holy Ghost fire in human form.